In this tutorial, we'll learn how to convert RTF or rich text format to PDF using the IronPDF library in a .NET application. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this tutorial. So first, ensure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. If you haven't done so, you can use a NuGet package manager to do that. I've already done it to save some time, so we'll move forward. So let's go to the program.cs file where I have written some code. So we start by importing the IronPDF and then setting the license key for IronPDF. We instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer, which is used for rendering the PDFs. We define an RTF string that defines the content you want to convert to PDF. So this string includes formatting such as bold and italic fonts. Use the render RTF string as a PDF method from the renderer to convert the RTF string to a PDF document. And then we save the generated PDF to a file path. And this step ensures that your RTF content is now stored as a PDF. Additionally, you can also convert the RTF file to a PDF. Use the render RTF file as PDF method to process the file. And in this case, sample.rtf. And then save the resulting PDF from the RTF file to a specified location. So let's run the application to see the RTF content transformed into a PDF document. All right, the PDF is generated, so let's open and compare it with the sample RTF file. All right, so the PDF is the same as the RTF file, and the RTF string is also converted without any errors. Sweet, right? So by following these simple steps, you can easily convert both RTF strings and files to PDF using IronPDF in your .NET applications. All right, we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. As always, please give us a like and subscribe if you want some more of these videos. And also, if you haven't tried out our software yet, there's a link in the description for a trial. Check it out. You won't be disappointed.